So hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Veo 3.1 video with API, and I will tell you how to make an N8n workflow so that you can automate your full stuff. So we are going to do in this, first let me show you how the end result will look like. The end result will look like this. Wait a second. See, it's saved in my local drive. So yeah, what is this is what we are going to do in this is we are going to use runware. So it's Veo 3.1 is available on runware right now, and I don't know about other vendors. So runware I'm using cause it is cheaper than anything else, like fall AI and replicate. It's very cheaper in compared to those. And I will tell you how to get $10 of credit in your account. You just need to have some followers on X, and I will tell you about the trick to get $10 in the end of the video. So stay here till the end. So let's get started. What we are going to do is we are going to use Google Sheets to fetch the prompts, and after that if you just need to create a Google Sheet name and name anything. Just first column you just need to put prompts, and just after row by row you just need to add some prompts for yourself, whatever you are going to do. Select second, third, fourth place. If you are going to combine some story, I will also have a workflow for this. What it will do is this code will concatenate all the videos and merge them into one by using ffmpeg. So what we are going to do is we just need to head Google Sheet. We just need a Google Sheet, and there must be a get rows in a sheet. Sheet within document. I guess there is some option of read. You just need to first add your credentials and enable your enable your API keys of Google Sheet. I will tell you how to do it in the description, or it's very simple thing. You just need to go to console.developer.com and console.google.com, and in there is some API service. You just need to enable your Google Sheet service, and after that you just need to head over to this get rows, choose the sheet prompt, and from list whatever it will come, and combine. I don't know what it is. Let's see how it will run. It is there. Okay, here it is. It must be like this, and I will share this workflow to you all. See, I will get a prompt, and you just need to go to attach this split. I am going to use to make thing go better, but you cannot it means it's not required. And this code will generate some UUID. UUID helps you to uniquely identify a particular video or image. It will help you to create a unique identifier ID on random basis, as runware is required to do. So you just need to, this is the HTTP request of runware. You just need to head over to this and video interface to get the curl command of this. You just need to, it will come, previously come like this. It started with editor, and you just need to head over to this and choose the curl command and copy this and put this into your HTTP request. Import curl, this imported. Okay, it will come like this. You just need to add task UUID, one more field, which is like this, task UUID, I guess, and put value which is coming from the code node, and this like json dot UUID. Okay, expression json.ui and json.prompt. $json dot prompts. Okay, so how it looks is like this. uh 4 second of video this, and json dot prompt this. Make sure you edit this, otherwise it will give you error. And after that, it will fetch the video from the runware, whether it's run or not through API. I will share the whole workflow in the in my Discord. You just need to uh, go to my Discord to get the full video, to get the full workflow. And after that, it will check if it's complete or not. If it is, then it will give you the result and save it to the Google Drive. And if there are so many uh, other prompts as well, like you choose around 3 to 4 prompts, and it will get combined together to make a new video. So yeah, you just need to add some prompts here, and after it get finished, you just need to concatenate these results which were saved in the in the disk, and it will prepare your concatenated code, and it will put into the ffmpeg command. And after concatenation, it will get merged into, it will get saved into a new temporary file. So yeah, let me show you how it works. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so yeah, let's start it. Okay, so yeah, video generated, start, and it will wait for 15 second or 25 second. I guess the maximum time it will take is around 30 second, cause video take a lot of time to get results. So yeah, it's in still process, I guess. Yes, it's in still process. It will wait for a second, and again it will check, and it will give, if it's done, then it will give the result here. So yeah, for concatenation, it will work like this. Oh, it's in still process. It will take around 1 minute, I guess, cause it's 20 second and it's 15 second. 35 second already gone. So yeah, it's taking a lot of time to make a video. You just need to check how much time it will take, so that you can put this. So yeah, it's ready, done. See, it's processed the concatenated list. And as there are not so many video, I just tried it one. So it's coming like this. This is the video I got. Look promising, right? Look absolute top notch. Veo 3.1 nailed it. So yeah, this is the end of the video. And if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share it as well. And yeah, one more thing, I am going to show you how to get $10 of credits in the Runware account. So you just need to head over to x.com. After going to x.com, you just need to go to Runware AI. After Runware AI, you just need to wait a second. There is a post which will give you $10 of credits. So yeah, this is the post. Just like and retweet this post, and comment as well, and just share the screenshot in the DM of Runware AI, so that you can claim your $10 of credit. They will give you in your email which you made during this which you have on Runware. You just need to share your email to the Runware team, and they will add these $10 of credits. Thank you. If you like this video, and I'm going to share the workflow as well, so please share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.